Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of Git in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. Git is a distribute version control and source code management system. Git is available in the repository, so you can install it just using the apt-get command. Open the terminal. Now type the command sudo apt-get install git, then press enter. Enter your password. Git installation will start now. Wait for the installation to complete. Git is now installed. To check the installation as success, type the command git ---- version and press enter. Now the installed version of Git will be displayed. Next we will see how to configure Git. First of all, you have to configure the username and email as the initial setup for Git. To set up username, type the command git config ---- global user.name, then provide your username and press enter. Next, to set up email, type the command git config ---- global user.email, then provide your email and press enter. Now to check the configuration, type the command git config ---- list and press enter. Then the configured username and email will be displayed. Now to check available commands for Git, type git ---- help. These are the basic setup for Git.